are you today? This video, you're going to see words connected with Christmas. That's right. Right now, this month is December. That means you're seeing a lot of different things pop up around your neighborhood. What is that? I'm going to show you the words, and maybe you will see them. Come on, sign with me. Mrs. Bergen. Candy. Candy. Candy cane. Candy cane. Candle. Candle. Celebrate. Celebrate. Christmas. Christmas. Decorate. Decorate. Maybe you have ornaments and you hang them up, or different decorations that you place around. Decorate. Elf. 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 What do elves do? They help Santa Claus. Elf. Gift. Or, if you give it to me, gift. Gift. North Pole. North Pole. Where is the North Pole? On the Earth, it's round. And right on the top, it's called the North Pole. Who lives there? It's Santa Claus. North Pole. Red-nosed reindeer. His name is Rudolph. Red-nosed reindeer. He guides Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus. Or another sign is Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Wreath. Wreath. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed learning the Christmas words. Please watch the next video and you will learn 12 more words about Christmas. Merry Christmas! Bye-bye! Hello, parents and teachers. Do you want more activities to support learning Christmas signs? I have more activities for you. Please look down in the comments. Click on the link, and you can find where you can learn more. Merry Christmas! Bye-bye!